And now here is the disclaimer. So these products, all these products from Wow Science, they are sent to me by Wow Science itself, and they were sent to me for about like 16 to 17 days earlier, and I'm using these products since then. And though these products are sent to me by the brand, but I'm going to give you my honest opinion on each and every product, and I really don't want to brag on any product. You guys have to trust me. I'm getting no money from the brand. It's just that they sent me products and it's my duty to review these products, but I didn't receive any guidelines that I only have to review them positively. Like, it is my opinion. If I feel something negative about this product, I'm free to say so, because I never want you guys to spend your money or waste your money on any of the product which is recommended by me and it still doesn't work. Like, it work nothing for your skin or hair or anything like that, because trying new products on your skin, on your hair, it is not an easy thing. It's a great risk that we as influencers take, and I do this, it is just because of the reason, because that's my job now. So definitely you can trust me on that, and make sure that you watch this video till the end. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm here with an affordable skincare video, and today in this video I'm gonna talk about the entire coconut rich range, which is by Wow Science. So Wow is kind enough to send me all these products that you can see here, or should I say I am lucky to have them in my PR bucket. So I really want to add few things about Wow Science. So Wow Science is an affordable brand when it comes to your health, skincare and hair care, and their products really do up for the skin and for hair as well. And also Wow Science is an Indian brand and they manufacture locally. In fact, their headquarters is in Bangalore, and all the products from Wow Science, like not only about this coconut range, but every product of Wow Science, it is SLS free, paraben free, and it is free from all the harmful chemicals. So if you are someone who is about to start a good skincare routine and just wondering like what products to use that are affordable as well, and want to follow the entire CTM routine, then this is the right video for you. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into the video. The first product that I have with me is this micellar water. So this product basically meant for complete cleansing and makeup remover. Even though if you are not wearing any makeup, you can still use this micellar water to get rid of any dirt or something on your face. And it comes in this spray bottle packaging, which is like it's really good to use, and it smells exactly like a coconut water, like a coconut product. So you can either spray this on a cotton pad or just spray it directly on your face. But just to show you guys how effective and worthy this micellar water is, I'm going to show you one eye with a cotton pad, and you can see in just 5 seconds how easily it removes your makeup. So I always like to break my makeup first, so I'm spraying it on my face and then I'm gonna massage it so that the makeup melts and it breaks down, and then I'm gonna wipe it off. So the key ingredients of this micellar water is coconut water, which helps in treating skin infections, fading scars, pigmentation, and provides right amount of hydration. Also, this micellar water has witch hazel extracts that helps to cure acne and work as natural astringent that helps to deep clean your skin and pores. But also guys, when it comes in removing your waterproof mascara and intense eye makeup, it's not enough, to be very honest. But if you are one who don't wear waterproof makeup, or you just wear an everyday sort of makeup which is light, then you can definitely try this one. But it doesn't work on waterproof mascara or waterproof makeup. So now my final take on this product is that it is good. it is really good. It doesn't sting your skin or cause any burning sensation or redness. Like you can see, everything I have done is in front of you guys. And the best part about this micellar water is it instantly brightens up your face. Like it provides radiance to your face. Like you can see, I'm not even lying. And after using this micellar water, face is not at all feeling dry. In fact, it is soft, it is smooth, and it is radiant as well. So this product retails for ₹349 for 200 ml, which is quite a good quantity at this price. And definitely, I love this product and it's a big thumbs up. The next product that I have with me is this face wash. So it is a super gentle face wash. It is really mild and it also smells exactly like coconut. In fact, the entire range smells like the coconut itself. And now let me take you through the application of this product. So for this face wash, you need teeny amount and it forms a great lather to work on, and it still doesn't pull any sort of moisture from your face. And the key ingredients in this face wash is coconut water, which I have already told you in the previous micellar water, and then it has aloe vera, which helps in moisturizing your skin. It provides hydration. Then it has vitamin B5, which helps in skin healing. It makes the skin plump and supple, and it helps in removing any traces of makeup left on your face, and it is not at all drying. It looks healthy and glowy. And now my final take on this face wash is, it is a superb face wash. Like you can see, it has added a glow to my face and the face is looking brightened and radiant. And now what it claims is, it helps in clarifying your face, it helps in softening, and it helps in brightening your skin. So how I judge a product is whatever it claims and what according to me is like a tick mark. So it helps in clarifying. Definitely, yes, you can see how clear my skin is looking after using this face wash. And then it softens. Yes, my skin is looking so soft and supple. In fact, it is feeling so soft. So definitely yes. Then it brightens up your skin. The result is in front of you. My skin is looking so brightening and awakened at the same time. And also this face wash is like really inexpensive. Like it retails for ₹299 and the quantity you get is 100 ml. But still it is going to last you for so long because you just need this much amount and it forms a great lather to work on. And now the next product that I have with me is this facial toner. This product, like this is my absolute favorite from the entire range. No, I love the moisturizer as well. So moisturizer and this toner, it is my most favorite product from the entire range. And this is a very hydrating and nourishing toner for your skin. And also this product also comes with the spray bottle packaging. And I'm kind of loving this fragrance of this product, like this entire range. You can directly spray it on your face, or you can either use a cotton pad and just wipe your face with it. But I personally love to spray it and it suddenly wakes me up, it lifts me up. So I feel so refreshing after just spraying this toner all over my face. And the key ingredients in this toner are coconut water, cucumber water, and already the uses of coconut water. But the cucumber water that it has helps to just calms your skin down. And with the regular usage of this toner, it will help in removing fine lines, wrinkles, and it also has witch hazel green tea. And this toner is really good for oily skin as it helps in controlling excess sebum and oil production, which keeps acne away. And every time you use these products, like not only the toner but every product in this range, you will notice your skin radiant and brightened up. Like you will see the noticeable change in your skin. So this toner retails for ₹349 and the quantity it gives is 200 ml. So yes, for me, this product is also a must buy. And now the last product that I have with me is this moisturizer. So first I must tell you that I really love this packaging, like the outside packaging also, though it's ordinary, but still you know, these small detailings on the product. I really love that. And now let me show you how this product looks from inside. So this is how this jar looks like, and let me give you a closer look. So this product is kind of most expensive in the entire range. Like when you see this product particularly, it is not that expensive. But when you compare it with the entire range, like every product in this range, then this is a bit expensive as compared to other products. So this is a kind of earless jar packaging, and it looks so sturdy and luxurious at the same time. And this packaging, like, I really love. It makes sure that product is in safe condition, like you can see. And this is how the product comes out. Like you have to you know, tap it like this, and then the product comes out from this small hole, if you can see. So yes, and now let me take you through the application. So first of all, I really love this earless jar packaging, and this cream looks thick, but it gets really quickly absorbed into skin. It is non-greasy, it is oil-free, and still it gives a really good hydration for so long hours. And it makes your skin looks glowy, and it nourishes your skin, hydrates your skin really well. So it is highly recommended for dry skin. But for very oily skin, I won't recommend this product. But for dry, combination, sensitive, and for oily skin as well, I do recommend this product. Yes, for oily skin also, because this cream just looks thick, but it really quickly gets absorbed into skin. So this is the best part about this moisturizer. So now my final take on this product is, like, let's see what this product claims. So this product claims that it saturates the skin with a good dose of hydration. It fades blemishes and age spots. It improves complexion and smooth out any fine lines if you have. And what else? It helps deliver deep hydration for youthful skin. So now these are quite promising claims, and now I will tell you what I feel about this product, like what is kind of tick mark for me. So it helps deliver deep hydration for youthful skin. Definitely yes, you can see how soft and how plump my skin is looking right now. So definitely, and I can even feel my skin like really hydrated. So definitely yes for this. Then another claim it gives is good dose of hydration, already discussed. It fades blemishes and age spots. Like I have been using it for 16 or 17 days, and like my skin is behaving really good, so I don't have any kind of acne or breakout or something, like on any scar even. So I can't say whether it you know, fades out any blemishes or not, because I don't have any, touch wood. And then it says when it comes to smoothing out fine lines, then definitely yes, because fine lines or wrinkles, they come when your skin is not properly hydrated, and then your skin tends to get like this sort of thing. So yes, when you moisturize your skin really well, these fine lines, they just fades away. So definitely for that fine line thing, definitely yes. And also this moisturizer retails for ₹5.99 for 50 ml. And I have already told you this is a bit expensive as compared to entire range, but still I won't mind purchasing it at all, because it gives a really good result, that you can see. So here comes the end of this video, guys, and these are my honest opinion and thoughts on the entire Coconut Rich range by the Wow Science. I quite like each and every product. Like none of these products has disappointed me. And the price that you are paying, you are getting quite a good ingredients at this price. And trust me, they truly work for your skin. And yeah, that's it with this video. If you have any other recommendation or any other query, then do let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next video.